I'm totally going down the chefy sounding deconstructed route with this sushi salad from my Seriously Good Salads book, full of those delicious sushi flavours plus extra veggies for crunch and colour. And it's all topped off with a delicious soy and ginger dressing, so tasty. We're going to start with the rice. I've got 2 cups of sushi rice here that you can buy from the supermarket. We'll put it in a sieve and then run it under the cold tap. And then place it in a saucepan. We're going to add 3 cups of cold water and then we'll bring that to the boil. Once that boils, we're going to turn down the heat and place a lid on the pan and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. When that 10 minutes is up, we'll turn off the heat, leave the lid on and just leave it for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and let the rice cool to room temperature before stirring in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. That's what gives the sushi rice that lovely, delicate, balanced flavour. So that's the rice prepared. Now we're going to make that delicious soy ginger dressing. We need a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of minced ginger, a garlic clove that's been minced and a pinch of black pepper. Mix all that together in a bowl. That's going to be so delicious with the salmon and the rice and the veggies. I love the smell of that toasted sesame oil. Okay, now let's assemble the salad. Divide the rice into bowls, then add the veggies. I'm using thinly sliced cucumber, carrot, radishes, beetroot and cooked edamame beans. So we're going to top with some nori. I've cut some into triangles and used some scissors to slice some little strips as well. And then add the smoked salmon. Finally, add some spring onions and sprinkle on sesame seeds and sashimi, and then serve with that fantastic dressing. That's my salmon sushi salad. Please check out my Seriously Good Salads book for this recipe, plus 74 other delicious salad recipes, packed with fresh flavours, exciting toppings and delicious dressings. Let's smash those preconceptions that salads are just boring diet food.